Nice.
Hey, my name is Nala, like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila, done by Nala. If you're new, welcome! And if you're not new, thanks for staying along. I love you guys. You guys are my rock. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all see I got my little glasses on today because, you know, I'm trying to be styling, profiling. But no, I just decided to actually put something onto my face and dress up because it just makes me feel good. So today is another day of painting, of course. I'm still gonna be working on the giant piece I was working on the last time. Honestly, I'm just excited to go into this month. I didn't really speak about it last time, but this is Mental Health Awareness Month, and I really want to get back into painting because that was my type of escape away. We're gonna be working on this the whole month because I'm gonna take my time every little bit. I'm gonna work on every little bit. The brushes I usually use, for example, this is my beautiful cup of paints, and these are my main brushes, to be honest. What is this called? This is a flat. This is a flat. This. Another flat. Let's just say I really love flats. Flats are my dogs. And I got another flat. Then I got this other flat. And then I got this tiny one that's like super thin. And this is a liner from Master's Touch. But I got it for like $4. You see how I'm saying how pricey art materials are? I couldn't even say how much this is. This little container here. Everything. Y'all see my potatoes in the back corner? I'm sorry. I was a little hungry. Y'all know artists never eat food, so I'm trying to eat food, okay? Before I go into this, you guys, I have been learning and teaching myself something. If you guys are on my Instagram page, y'all already saw the video clip of me learning and stuff, but I'm teaching myself 3D sculpting. Yes. And basically, remember last week or last 2 weeks with the NFT video? I decided not to do NFTs because of the whole fact of the environment. So I'm gonna still do my 3D stuff. So I was just like, I'm gonna take by myself and I'm gonna learn 3D sculpting. Yes, sir! So honestly, I just got this app here. What is it called? Nomad Sculpt. And it's like $10, $15. I can't remember. I will have a tutorial when I get more used to it because I'm gonna do some more stuff in there. But I've been working on, look at that thing. Look at it. But I've been using that, and then I color it in Procreate. So I'm just trying to get like the kinks and stuff out so I can actually do a project with you guys, because I really want to work on my little emote down there. Her, you know what I'm talking about. So I was that lazy. The wet paint I had on before, I just stuck this new sheet onto the wet paint. So it's like, see, this is the other palette. I just happened to stick it onto the other paint that was also wet, so it's gonna be easy for me to just rip it all off. But y'all know me, the lazy way. Y'all, it's not getting what it's supposed to get. I just give me take it. Okay, give me two takings. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I got a clean palette here. This paper palette, last time, yeah, I didn't see it before, but $7. I got double-sided tape on this still, so.
Boom, kaboom, kaboom.
Alright, white. This is peach skin tone. It's called light portrait pink. I call it
peach skin tone.
Huh? That's all you finna give? Come on. Then we got our raw sienna. Burnt sienna. Beautiful, my bro. Bro, that's barely red. It's like a pink color. Never actually pink. And then lastly, my favorite, black. Okay. Alright, y'all. let's get into this. I will see you guys on the other side. But thumbnail. Really get into this painting now. So what I'm trying to attempt now is I'm kind of going backwards after I looked at my piece and was like, it needs a little bit of adjusting. So I'm kind of going back, moving the nose around with highlights and making my eyelid the perfect way I want it to go. But the main goal for this little session is I'm going to do everything like the bottom half I'm working on, so like my shoulders, my hair, and things like that. So also one of the cool things I'm doing this time is I'm going big with like my solid colors of my hair first, because it's kind of easy to get the detailing as long as you just keep building in a sense. And then also a really, not weird technique, but a technique I like to use is I don't like to go in so scarcely. So like if I go in with a pretty thick line and it's supposed to be kind of like hair is really thin, so I'll just go with the regular thick line, and then I'll use the other colors, like for example my chest area, which is lighter, I'll use that to shape how thin I want the pieces to go. It's like a really easy, cool effect I like to do, so I don't have to be so afraid going in like, oh my god, my line's too thick. Girl, it's fine, just take some other paint, go right over that and thin it out. That's why I like doing that. Just to kind of interject here in the middle of that, so this is technically the next day. Y'all see I got my new glasses. Well, that's not my new glasses, it's part of my little glasses collection. You guys wanted to see some, so I'm gonna start wearing as many glasses as I got that I can find in my house, honestly. But these are the ones I like. It's kind of like a little yellow tint, but y'all don't care about my glasses. But on to the next day of painting. We're gonna start going into the hands on top now, and like I said, it's kind of weird doing this whole translucent thing. I have to really guess these colors. I kind of went in straight away with like an orangey tint because I'm trying to like stay to the hand color, but then it's weird because the actual painting behind my hand, which is the translucent part, is a pinkish tint. So it's really weird going back and forth. At first I did use a bigger brush, but I went straight to that tiny brush because I need to get in there's little creases and stuff like that. Also too, I regret that I didn't map out the painting behind my face, so I'm really kind of like guessing it. I'm winging it again. I should have like sketched out like how everything is technically stationed, but I'm just guessing basically everything at this point. My color palette is literally all over the place. All over the place. I'm trying to make sure I can have those two distinct colors that are different, but then also still have it enough where it's a little bit of translucent peeking through. Remember I said I want to make sure I can have all the well, not all the qualities, some of the qualities from the piece that's underneath it. I'm kind of like in a love-hate relationship with this whole process right now. Honestly, now that I'm like thinking about it, it's extremely pink. The piece itself is really like a salmonish pinkish color. It's the one up there, you guys know what it looks like, that one. That's the painting behind it, but compared to my face, it is definitely more pinker. Okay, so look, I'm honestly tired. I'm kind of done. I'm gonna give it a break, okay? Honestly, if I'm just not mentally here, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Let me hear you say ah! Ah! All right, what we have so far? Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna keep working on this as usual. I'm taking the whole month. As usual, thank you guys for joining on. If you're new, thank you. Like it up, comment below if you liked it, you're vibing with it. If you're old, thank you guys for staying on. I love you guys. You guys are loyal. My troopers, I love y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget, nice.